Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast, Simple English with Mr.Jack and Anna.
Mr. Jack's here. Hi, everyone.
And I'm Anna. Before we start today's lesson, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, when you like this video, you help other learners find it. And when you comment, you can practice your English. And we love reading what you write.
So go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe before we start learning.
Okay, let's begin. Today, we're talking about daily routines. That means what we do every day, right?
Things like get up, go to work, eat lunch, and go to bed. And in this episode, I'll tell you about my full day from morning to night.
That sounds great. A simple story is the best way to learn English naturally.
Exactly. And after each part of my story, Mr. Jax will help explain the words and help you practice speaking.
Perfect. Let's start with your morning, Anna.
Okay. Every day, I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. When my alarm rings, I open my eyes and take a deep breath.
Good. Wake up means you stop sleeping. Repeat after us, everyone. I wake up at 6:30.
After I wake up, I stay in bed for a few minutes. I don't get up right away. I like to stretch and check my phone.
Oh, that's common. So the next phrase is get up. It means you leave the bed. Repeat after me. I get up.
Then I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Two important daily actions. Wash my face and brush my teeth. Say it with us. I wash my face. I brush my teeth.
After that, I take a shower. I love hot showers in the morning. They make me feel fresh and ready for the day.
That's a great expression. I take a shower. Let's practice.
Then I get dressed. I usually wear a white shirt and black pants for work. So we can say I get dressed or I put on my clothes.
Exactly. After I get dressed, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast, Anna?
I usually eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I eat rice soup, and I always drink coffee.
Nice. Let's help our listeners repeat. I make breakfast. I eat eggs and bread. I drink coffee.
Great. After breakfast, I check my bag to make sure I have everything: my phone, wallet, and keys.
That's a useful tip. You can say, I check my bag before I leave.
Yes, and then I say goodbye to my family and leave the house. So you can say, I go to work. Repeat after me. I go to work.
I usually go to work by motorbike. The ride takes about 20 minutes.
Good sentence. Everyone repeat. I go to work by motorbike.
Sometimes there's a lot of traffic in the morning, so I listen to music while I drive.
That's a good idea. You can say, I listen to music on my way to work.
Yes, and when I arrive at the office, I greet my coworkers. I say, good morning.
Good. Let's practice some morning greetings. Say, good morning. How are you today?
And I always smile when I say it.
That's the best way to start the day. After that, I sit at my desk, turn on my computer, and check my emails.
So you can say, I check my emails in the morning.
Exactly. Then I start my work.
What kind of work do you do, Anna?
I work in an office. I write reports, make phone calls, and attend meetings.
Nice. Let's help our listeners repeat. I write reports. I make phone calls. I attend meetings.
Perfect. Around 10 a.m., I take a short break. I drink water or tea and talk to my coworkers.
That's important. You can say, I take a break.
Yes, just a few minutes to relax. Around 12, it's lunchtime. I usually eat lunch with my coworkers in the cafeteria.
Eat lunch is another key phrase. Let's repeat. I eat lunch at 12.
I often eat rice with chicken or vegetables. Sometimes I eat noodles or soup.
That's great vocabulary. Rice, chicken, vegetables, noodles, soup.
After lunch, I sometimes go for a short walk outside the office. It helps me feel refreshed.
You can say, I go for a walk after lunch. Repeat after us.
Then I go back to work.
So we can say, I go back to work at 1 p.m.
Yes, in the afternoon, I continue my tasks. I reply to emails, finish reports, and join online meetings.
That's good practice for professional English.
Sometimes the afternoon feels long, but I try to stay positive.
You can say, I stay positive, or I try to focus.
Exactly. Around 5:30, I finish work and get ready to go home.
Okay, now it's evening. What do you do when you get home?
When I get home, the first thing I do is take off my shoes and wash my hands.
Good hygiene. Let's repeat. I take off my shoes, I wash my hands.
Then I change into comfortable clothes and sit down for a few minutes. So that's I change my clothes or I relax on the sofa.
Yes, I usually check my phone for messages and scroll on social media for a bit.
That's what most people do.
True. After that, I start thinking about dinner.
Dinner time. What do you usually eat?
Sometimes I cook dinner, maybe rice, vegetables, and fish. Sometimes I order food online.
Let's practice both. I cook dinner. I order food online.
Great. After dinner, I clean the table and wash the dishes.
You can say I wash the dishes after dinner.
Yes. Then I relax. I like to watch TV or listen to music.
You can say I watch TV in the evening. Repeat.
Sometimes I read a book or talk with my family.
Nice. Family time is important.
Definitely. Around 9 or 9:30, I start getting ready for bed.
You can say I get ready for bed.
Yes. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face again.
Let's say it together. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Then I put on my pajamas and sometimes read a few pages of a book.
I put on my pajamas. That's a nice daily phrase.
After that, I set my alarm for the next day.
I set my alarm at 10 p.m.
And finally, I turn off the lights and go to sleep.
Great. Say it with us. I go to sleep at 10 o'clock.
That's my full daily routine from morning to night.
That was perfect, Anna. Very simple, clear, and real. Okay, listeners, let's review together. Repeat after us. This time, we'll go through Anna's full day quickly.
I wake up at 6:30.
I get up and brush my teeth.
I take a shower and get dressed.
I make breakfast and drink coffee.
I go to work by motorbike.
I greet my coworkers and check my emails. I have meetings and write reports.
I eat lunch at 12.
I go for a short walk.
I go back to work.
I finish work and go home.
I cook dinner or order food.
I watch TV or read a book.
I brush my teeth and go to bed.
Great job!
You just practiced a full day in English.
Now it's your turn. Think about your daily routine.
Yes, try to describe your day in English just like Anna did.
For example, I wake up at 7. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study. I go home. I have dinner. I sleep at 10.
Simple and clear.
You can write it in the comments or say it out loud.
Now, speaking out loud helps your brain remember better.
Yes, it makes English more natural for you.
All right, everyone. Today, you learned how to describe your full daily routine from morning to night.
You also learned many useful verbs: wake up, get up, brush, cook, go, work, eat, sleep.
And you practiced speaking them in real sentences.
Remember, the more you practice, the more you become fluent.
So, practice your own daily routine every day in English. And don't forget to what, Anna?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
That's right.
Thank you for listening and learning with us.
You're doing amazing. Keep it up.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.